Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the Portal Memories. So what you need to do first is tap the start. Tap this one, Portal Memories. So in this Portal Memories, you can find some event that has not returning yet, or the event that you're missing out in the past that need to play again because you need the medals to play to awaken some character. So you need these portal memories to access the event. For example, this one, the battle, you have character crossover from Dragon Ball Heroes Edition. You can do this easy A, but this one you have to do it by the key. This is key of the battle, and this is the key of Dokkan challenge event, and this is the key for story event. You can get this key from some event, or you can get it by completing the mission that you can find in the mission page. So feel free to try the portal memories if you need some medals or some dragonstone that you're missing out from the event. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.